Hello class, welcome to Accounting Information Systems. My name is Ruth Prato and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. So let me start off by telling you a little bit about myself. I got my undergraduate accounting degree from Loma Linda University in Riverside, California. From there I went on to get my Master's of Accountancy with a taxation emphasis from Auburn University. Then I started professional work. I started out at a company called Ernst & Young, and then went on to Deloitte & Touche, and both of those are Big Four accounting firms. And then after that, I went to work for one of Deloitte & Touche's clients called PacifiCorp. Well, I learned a lot in that job. I worked on a lot of partnerships in that capacity. Well, after that, my Alaskan adventure began. I came up here in 1997 and started to work for a great local company called Walsh, Kelleher & Sharp. After a few years, I went to work for International Game Technology in Reno, Nevada, and they're a company that specializes in casino gaming software and also slot machines. But I missed Alaska too much, and so we came back and went back to work for Walsh, Kelleher & Sharp, and then a few years ago, I got the opportunity to teach full-time here at UAF. So I want to tell you that I love teaching, I love getting to know my students, and I'm really glad that you're in this course. So what are we going to do in this class? Well, this class is different from your other accounting classes in that we're not really looking at debits and credits directly. Of course, everything we talk about, there's always that underlying transaction that we can go back to. But in this class, we're talking about how information is gathered and processed and distributed within organizations and to the outside stakeholders. You're going to spend some time in class diagramming business processes to make sure that you really understand how they work. We're also going to look at how technology impacts the processes of collecting and distributing that information within companies. We're also going to analyze some internal control procedures that are used by companies in order for them to achieve their objectives and also to deter fraud. You're going to get the opportunity to create your own company in an accounting software system. You're going to demonstrate how to capture transactions in that information system, and you will probably have to analyze the reports generated by that accounting system as you try and go back and look for errors or figure out how to fix the errors that you may have made. So we're going to recognize the limitations and threats to accurate processing that can happen in an information system. So I'm really glad you're here. I think it's going to be a great semester. I want you to take a moment and tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself to me and to your classmates. You can do that on the discussion board. You can add a video of yourself, or if you're uncomfortable with the video, go ahead and give us a small write-up about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Tell me what's your major, what's your previous accounting experience, and maybe what type of work you're interested in doing after graduation. Once again, I'm really glad you're in class. It's going to be a great semester. Get to work.